Okay, so I've covered RH, relative humidity, and the resistance factor to experience 0 degrees, 90 on the vertical, 90 on the horizontal, breathing as one with the crystal core, the inner crystal rainbows, the aurora platforms, the slider glide programs, evac, the true still point of a true vacuum. So here's an example. When I go outside and I work with the sun and I'm pulling, and I can experience those frequencies coming up through both sides, the electromagnetic, sensing the entire spectrum. Remember I shared this like when I was a little child and I'm experiencing what happened, the loss of voltage in that person that was in that car accident when I was 9 years old. Remember that? I experienced what you experienced. And that relates to what? A nuclear reaction state of polarities that are in resistance, the negative 13 reversal spiral, the monadic reversal of the heart. Big on. So when I'm pushing higher frequencies, the higher tones, the plasma tones, the water code, the source code of eternal living waters, let the water free. Allow the spirit, the eternal spirit of fire, to be free, to creatively express the water memories of a future potential memory. That's why when I was a child, load the programs. How long am I going to hold on to those codes? Only long enough to be able to share what I've learned by what I've experienced by virtue of the rate of speed to pull a vacuum and recover full spectrum sensing capabilities of 15D, DH12, pulling DC, direct current, the eternal life force field, the eternal electrical, Kundere's crystal sound of light, restoring Crystal Sophia, the crystal cathedral, fully activated, fully integrated, elemental union with the crystal core. So after I came out from working, doing some energetic exercises, breathing work, and I came in here, now we're into the delay, the tape delay, the strip delay. Now I'm experiencing the reaction state after we perform that work together. The auroras. Now I'm experiencing the resistance in them to experience what I am, I Manu Aya, because now I'm experiencing the electrical resistance in my lower back. And I wasn't experiencing that when I walked outside to do the work. Now I'm experiencing their reaction to what we're doing to recover 90 on the vertical and breathing 90 on the horizontal deity planes. The breathing disorder, the firing sequences, nucleotides, neurons, generating a gazillion neurons, neurons communicating to other neurons, cells communicating to other cells, stars communicating to other stars. We're all experiencing the first sun. Ah, yeah. So yeah, I'm experiencing that negative alien magnetic reaction state. So I will clear that, and that's called restoration, to recover the balance of experiencing, breathing the entire electromagnetic spectrum, the full sensing power, which is a permission, a permit, which is called a release state from QI status of the quarantine. Q as in quarantine. QI intelligence is not the eternal life force field of first creation, which is cosmic law, honoring the highest divine law of creation, the eternal grand creator spirit, learning through spirit, the eternal spirit of fire, and the torque speed difference in the displacement of water. Let the water go. The blockages,